Hello, welcome. If you're watching this video, you've made considerable progress in the application for the Budeshi mini grant. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to progress from this screen to the next stage in the application process. So firstly, to move on to the next stage, you need to download the project template that you use to collect data and submit as part of the application process. Firstly, to download the template, you click on this button, the project template button, and automatically the file will be downloaded to your computer. Now you can open that file with an Excel sheet or with Google Sheet. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using Google Sheet. So once you've downloaded the file, you are going to open it with either Excel sheet or with Google Sheet. It's going to look like this, where you're going to have the headers for the different data points that you need to collect for each of the projects that you are going to be uploading as part of the application process. Now I'm just going to quickly show us using an example from Nokopo, which is the Nigerian Open Contracting Portal. I'm going to source my projects from there and use this template to fill the template with the data. So firstly, I'll go to Nokopo and select the project. For the purpose of this demonstration, I have selected the project by the National Institute of All Palm Research, right? So I've selected the project that is being implemented, and I'm just going to come and extract the details of this project and input into my template. So firstly, the what we have here is title, and title here refers to the title of the project. So I'm just going to go to Nokopo and search for where title is. Here we have the title as continuation of palm tree plantation in Oyun. So I'm going to copy everything, including the location details in the title. I'll come to my template here and include the title, so here. And then next we have description, which usually refers to the description of the project, which is different from the title of the project. Here we don't have the description of the entire project, but we have the budget description. So I'm just going to pick the budget description and go back to my template and include that. So let me go to the template here and include that. So next we have level. Level refers to which level of government is responsible for the implementation of this project. And because we're sourcing our data from Nokopo only contains projects that have been implemented by ministries, departments, and agencies at the federal level. So I'm just going to come to the drop down here and I'm going to select federal. So if you are selecting the project that is being implemented by the state government, you would select state government here or local government as required. Next we have sector. So sector refers to which sector of the economy does the project or does the implementing agency belong to. So here we have the National Institute for All Palm Research, which is a agriculture sector MDA. So I'm just going to go back to my template and I'm going to put in agriculture here. Then next we have state. So state refers to the states in which the project is being implemented. So from this project we can see that the state where the project is being implemented is in Kwara State, based on the information in the title. So I'm going to go back to my template and I'm going to select Kwara State. So right, local government area. Local government area refers to the local government in which this project is being implemented. So in this case, it is being implemented in Oyun local government area. So I'm just going to come and pick the local government, go back to my template and type it in here. Okay, so next we have MDA. MDA, which refers to the ministry, department, or agency, which is the government institution that is responsible for the implementation of this project. Like we identified earlier, this project is being implemented by the National Institute for All Palm Research in C4. So I'm just going to pick the name of the institution, come back to my template, and I'm going to include that in the template here. Then next we have year, which refers to the year that this project was initiated, because sometimes you have projects that span multiple years, but in this case we're going to be indicating the year which the project was initiated, which is in this case the budget year, which is 2023. So I'm also going to come and fetch this information from this portal and bring it back to my template and drop here. Next we have category. Category refers to the type of project, so which could either be a goods project, a services project, or a works project. So to determine that, I'm going to come to my I'm going to come back to Nokopo to search look through the project details to identify which type of category or which category, and from here we can see that procurement category is consultancy services. So we are going to come back to our template and indicate services here. Then next we have budget amount. So budget amount is the estimated amount that the implementing agency earmarked in the budget for this project. So every project is implemented from a budget line in the implementing agency's annual budget. So in this case, the budget amount was 13 million, which was the amount that the National Institute for All Palm Research estimated that this project is going to be implemented for. So we'll go back to our template and we'll paste the budget amount here. Next, we have contract amount. So contract amount refers to the actual amount which the project was implemented for. And in this case, we will go to either the award to look for the contract amount there, or we'll check in the contract information, or we'll look at the implementation. And here we can see that the final cost for this project is 13 million. So I'm just going to pick 13 million from here, go back to my template and input 13 million. So we can see already that this project was budgeted for 13 million and it was finally contracted for 13 million. Now the next we have project source, which is the link to the project. So this helps us to verify that the project that you have included is an original and is a real project, because with the project source link we can verify, we can track back to the source of this information to verify that you have provided the right information. So I'm just going to input the link here under this project source link. And then next we have contractor. Contractor is the company that was responsible for implementing this project, and to get that information I'm going to check the award, and here I can see that the contractor as per what we have on Nokopo is All Palm Department NIFO. So I'm just going to pick this information here, go back to my template, and I'm going to drop this information here. And then lastly we have start date and end date. Start date and end date refers to when this project was started and when the project was concluded. So to get this information, I'll go back to Nokopo and I'll go back to the planning to get the start date. So we have the first date here, which was the bid doc advert date, as 1st 2001, which I believe is most likely an error, but from what we have here, I'm just going to pick that information and go back to the template. And then lastly, I'll go to the contract award date. To get the end date, I'm just going to also look through to see if there's any other dates that indicate when the project was concluded. For now, the only dates that we have here is the bid advert date and the contract award date. So we're going to pick these dates, come back to our Excel sheet, and we're going to input this here. So lastly, I just want us to take note of this, that when you download this template, you will notice that some of the headers come with a red asterisk, and that means that these fields or these headers are compulsory. So in whatever you do, you must provide the information for this particular projects, because those are one of the criteria that you will be evaluated on. First of all, to see that the required fields are there, the information is correctly imputed, and that the projects you have selected are relevant and they are verifiable. So notice that title is compulsory, level is compulsory, sector is compulsory, state is compulsory, LGA is compulsory, MDA is compulsory, year is compulsory, category is compulsory, budget amount, contract amount, project source, link. And it's important to note that some of this information might not be available for all projects that you find on open contracting portals. But for the purpose of this mini grant application, you need to find 10 projects that you can have at least these information sources available as part of the application process. Again, you will be judged on the quality of the data and the amount of data which you provide. So this is the process, and you would need to do this for 9 other projects, just like we have done. But for this purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to stop at this one project, and then I'm going to download this document in Excel format, because the portal is only going to accept Excel format. I'm going to download this, and then I'll go back to the portal and upload this.